I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you're not going to want to miss one. Today, we're talking about episode number 154, and today we're going to be talking about the additional cost of selling your home. When you sell your home, people always want to know, Chris, how much can I make on my house? The thing you've got to factor in is, in addition to what you're going to make on the home, you've got to factor in the attorney cost, the real estate commissions, the state and local taxes, as well as buyer's concessions, your current mortgage. All of those things factor into your bottom line. One of the things that I use in all my listing presentations is something that I call the seller estimated net sheet. That net sheet breaks down all the additional costs. We start with your top dollar figure. We subtract everything out as we go down, those concessions, the taxes, the attorney fees, and that gets us down to the bottom line. The reason I like using that in my listing presentations is because when we get offers, I present them to you in the same way. We start with what the buyers are offering, and we factor out all the additional factors, and then you start looking at your bottom line, not the top line. One of the reasons we do that is a $250,000 offer on your home that includes $10,000 in closing costs, smells, and looks suspiciously like $240,000. So we want to make sure we're looking at the bottom line, not the top line. Facts are always going to be your friends when you're looking at when you're looking to sell your home. This way, we're always making decisions based on facts and figures and never ever emotions. If you like these videos, you can check out my past episodes. The other 153 episodes are over on my YouTube channel. You can also find me on social media sites like Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst.